water's not usually this high. Just to let you know. Some debris floating out there. Pelicans just sitting like always. There's less poles above the water. And that over there is almost underwater. It's pretty windy. Usually there's a little bit of concrete down there from where this boat launch used to be. But yeah, this is Trinity Bay before her tropical storm Beta hits. It's not even made landfall yet and the water's already rising here. It's supposed, with the current weather forecast, the core of it's supposed to pass right through the bay. So that ought to be interesting. Alright, more videos coming whenever this gets closer.